hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today, I got no video, I got no this is how we do it, I got no craft with me, I got no live. What I do have is this. I told you guys I would not be having any live sales for the month of December because I would rather that you spent that time with your family and, you know, preparing for holidays and things like that. And I know everybody's really busy this time of year. So what I am doing, you know, if you're wrapping presents or baking a pie or something and you're listening to YouTube, I'm putting this up there. You can take a look at it, watch it as you're doing something else, and if it's something that you're interested in, just reach out and let me know. All my contact information will be in the description box below. Now, all I have today is fabric, just fat quarters. That's all I have. So basically, let's answer all the questions. These are all cotton. These are all quilt weight cotton, okay? Or calico if you happen to be in the UK. They are all $5 a piece, and they're all fat quarters unless I say otherwise. So let's get started. Lot number one today. Lot number one is a fat quarter of this white with butterflies. That's lot number one. Okay. Lot number two, I did buy this from another seller. They were selling it by the yard, so I bought like a yard and a half of it or something like that. Cut it down to fat quarters. They subsequently cut this down to fat quarters. So this is going to be 4 pieces in lot number two. So that's what we have there. Lot number three, we've seen this one before. This is lot number three, guys. This is that like purplish gray color with the burgundy and the black in kind of the paisley. So that is lot number three. There are 2 pieces available. Lot number four. Lot number four is this one right here. This is a vintage fabric. Let's take a look. There are 3 pieces of this one available. And this one is one we haven't seen before. This one's got fruit on it and flowers and stuff, and it's got little seed packets and stuff. Great for like a spring journal or a garden journal. If you're doing something like that, this would be a great cover for that. So, 3 of this lot available. There's 3 pieces of lot number 4. I know I can't speak. What do we have next? Next, we have this one here. This is fantastic. Look at the colors in this. I love this. So pretty, so rich. There's 3 pieces of this. This is lot number 5. Lot number 5 today. 3 pieces available. Gorgeous. This could be Christmas. This could be, you know, just fall. This could be, you know, just beautiful boho. I could see this for a boho. So I got 3 pieces of lot number 5. Lot number 6. Lot number 6 is this one right here. Guys, this is the funnest fabric I've had in a while. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of this one available. Let's take a look at this one. Look at, isn't that stinking adorable? It's like fish scales. It's a mermaid tail. It is a fat quarter. This is a nice heavyweight top end cotton. So this is like for exterior type stuff. So there's 4 pieces of that available, and that is lot number 6. Lot number 6 on that one. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Lot number 7. Lot number 7. I have 2 pieces available of lot number 7, and that is this one right here. Oh my God, look at how gorgeous this is, right? Let me just open this so you can look at this. Isn't that beautiful? It is such a rich, dark black. Now, this, again, is a very heavy weight. This is more of a lightweight upholstery cotton as opposed to a quilting cotton. So this is more of an upholstery weight cotton, okay? So that is lot number 7. Lot number 8 today. Lot number 8. 2 pieces available. It is this beautiful Earth Batiste. It's got a little vine pattern running through it. Beautiful random splotch dyeing on here. Gorgeous, gorgeous. If you're making a winter journal, you're making a forest journal, you're making, I don't care what it is. If you're making anything that has to do with nature, this is the piece for you. This is lot number 8. There's 2 pieces available. Let's take a look at the next one. Okay. So I saw this and I had to have it. I know it's the time of year, so I had to do it. Those are owls. Owls. Let's take a look at this. Now, I did give some of this to the Amy to see how it tea dyes, but I do have some of the white available. I believe I have 8 pieces. Let me take a count real quick. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 pieces available. This is lot number 9. Lot number 9, the owls. Okay, lot number 10 is this one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 available for this one. These are like postage stamps from all over the world. This is kind of a yellowish beige color. This is lot number 10. Lot number 10 is this beautiful stamped fabric. And lot number 11 is this one right here. Check this out. Look at how stinking cute this is. Okay? And here's the thing. Look, it works in the direction that we would use it to make a book, right? So, it's really hard to find fabric that works that way, so I try really hard to find those for you guys, because they're, you know, fabrics are made for quilters and sewers, and they go this way and we go this way, so somebody should come out with a line of fabrics just for us, don't you think? So that is lot number 11. There are 4 pieces in lot number 11, and that is it for the fat quarters today. I do have one other lot for you, and there's only 2 pieces of this available, and this is lot number 12, and these are half yard cuts, and the reason that I cut them this way was because of these panels, because I wanted you to be able to use this and cut it to the size you need it to work for a book cover. So I left the half yards on this one. So the half yards are $7. Okay, so $7 for the half yards, $5 on the fat quarters. Okay, that's it, guys. That's all I have for you today. Listen, all of the descriptions and the lot numbers will be in the description below, as well as my contact information. If you are interested in any of these, just reach out and let me know, and I will get you a package together and get them mailed off. Until then, do me a favor, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe for me, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all of your friends. Then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and you know, before you know it, we have a whole community of people that are all friends. Until the next time, stay safe, guys. Bye-bye.